Right, you alright guys, we're entering the asylum now.
Oh.
It's got abandoned about 10 years ago, so it'll be like pretty rotten and that, but unfortunately we had to leave a man behind, Kieran. Shout out to my boy Kieran.
Okay.
Yeah, but we're here.
There was only 5 seats in the car obviously.
The buildings are fucking, there's 8 buildings which are fucking massive.
Kieran fell off the crane that we climbed recently, so
yeah.
we can't really put that in the video.
Let's see this go viral.
It's about 5 now, so this video overlapped tonight. And we've been here recently and there's like security that come around, so it should be pretty interesting.
Been diagnosed with testicular cancer.
We got that.
See you later. Shit, we got cut.
Well,
basically, so the guy in the yellow that we saw when we were climbing up, fuck knows who he was, but there's every about 500 metre radius there's like a nationwide security guard, and
yellow jacket.
And that guy had a yellow jacket on, and he was speaking to someone in that security guard. So whether or not he was, because he saw us.
He's got a dog. He's got a fucking dog.
And the phone died. It was pitch black and we didn't know where the alert tone was.
There's an entrance over there.
You couldn't see anything. You can't. He was going, help, screaming.
We shouted. Did you hear us?
We shouted so loud.
We shouted so.